Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated luxury SUVs of the future, the 2026 BMW X8. If you thought BMW had already hit the peak with the X7, think again. The X8 takes that formula and cranks it up, offering a bolder design, more power, and an even more exclusive experience. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 X8 brings a futuristic edge to BMW's design language. Expect a more aggressive front fascia, ultra-slim laser headlights, and a massive kidney grille that feels like a signature rather than a statement. The roofline is sleeker and more coupe-inspired than the X7, giving the X8 the sportier silhouette despite its full-size footprint. Under the hood, BMW isn't holding back. The X8 is rumored to debut with a range of high-performance powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid M performance version. We're talking about a twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors, delivering over 750 horsepower in the X8M. That's supercar territory in SUV clothing, and yes, it'll go from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, with your whole family in the back. Inside, the X8 sets a new standard for BMW luxury. Picture a blend of modern tech and handcrafted materials, curved OLED displays, crystal knobs, and sustainably sourced leather. Rear seat passengers get first-class treatment too, with executive seating, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof that responds to voice commands. It's less of an SUV and more of a mobile luxury lounge. Tech-wise, the X8 is expected to feature BMW's next-gen iDrive system with high-powered personalization, augmented reality navigation, and even more advanced autonomous driving features. It's not just about getting you from point A to B, it's about turning every journey into an experience. The 2026 BMW X8 isn't for everyone. It's bold, expensive, and unapologetically luxurious. But if you're looking for the peak of performance and prestige in an SUV, this just might be it. BMW is clearly aiming to outshine not just rivals like the Range Rover and Mercedes-Maybach GLS, but to redefine what a flagship SUV can be. Thanks for riding with Rolling Legends. If you love what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive legends in the making. See you in the next one.